The flush mount LED taillights have been so popular for the Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. The JK community asked for an offering and we listened. There's already a ton of taillight options on the market for the Jeep Wrangler JK. What sets ours apart is its flush-to-body design, signature accent light, and high-powered reverse light. This install is as easy as it gets. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver in 15 minutes. Let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna take a look at what comes in the box and do a little bit of assembly. First, you'll see these foam gaskets. These are gonna need to be installed on the taillights. This is gonna keep the taillights from rattling. Got some written instructions here. Both taillights with included resistors and the resistor brackets. All right, so we're gonna remove our foam gaskets from the packaging. There's a total of 4 strips and they just need to be installed on the left and right sides of the lamp. Next, we're gonna grab 1 resistor bracket, 2 screws, 2 nuts, and 1 clip. We're gonna go ahead and get this positioned here. Get our first screw in, get our nut on finger tight. Get our second screw in, thread our second nut on. We're gonna tighten this with a Phillips screwdriver. You don't have to over tighten these. They can be hand tight. Then we're gonna install our resistor clip here. That's what it should look like. Go ahead and repeat the same steps on the other tail lamp and we're ready to get these installed. All right, so to remove the factory tail light, we just need to take off these 4 Phillips screws. All right, so with those 4 Phillips screws removed, we're gonna just pull the light out. And then we're gonna unplug it. Set this off to the side. All right, so first thing we need to do is install the resistor. There is a piece of sheet metal here as part of the body. We're gonna go ahead and clip this assembled resistor bracket right onto the sheet metal. And then we're gonna plug our taillight in. So now we're gonna tuck our wiring in. We're gonna hook our clamp here to the outside of the body. So this is gonna require us to have to push this in just a tad. And you'll notice now there's only 2 screw holes. So we're gonna take our 2 longer screws that came out of the factory taillight. And we're using a screw gun here on a low torque setting. This is okay. If you're more comfortable with using a hand driver, you can do that as well. Go ahead and get our taillight lined up. Put our first screw in, put our bottom screw. Now that we've got the passenger side installed, we're gonna repeat the exact same steps on the driver's side. So for more info on this product and others, check out www.oraclelights.com. Hit us up on our socials.